Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll begin by ensuring power and backups. Charge the Pixel Watch 2 above 50% and leave it on the charger. This prevents shutdown during reset. Once charged, open Settings and confirm your Google account backup is complete because a factory reset removes accounts and data. Make sure you know your Google password. You'll need it after the reset to verify ownership. Start now by swiping down, tapping Settings, and preparing to access system options. Don't delay. We move straight into the reset flow. You'll now execute the core steps. In Settings, go to System, then choose Disconnect and Reset. This is the factory reset pathway. Tap Remove All Data, read the prompt, and confirm. This erases apps, settings, and paired devices. Once confirmed, the watch will begin wiping. Progress may take several minutes, so be patient. After the watch restarts, you'll see the initial setup screen. Make sure to have the phone and Google credentials ready for repairing and activation once the reboot completes. Finish by pairing. Open the Wear OS app on your phone, select Add a Watch, and follow the on-screen prompts to reconnect. You'll sign in with your Google account when asked. If the watch doesn't show up or is frozen after reset, force restart it by holding the crown and side button together for 10 seconds until it reboots. If pairing still fails, clear Bluetooth cache on your phone and retry. If you encounter activation lock, use the original Google account credentials to verify ownership. This resolves 99% of issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.